Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie healthy. To start, focus on reducing added sugars and incorporating more whole ingredients. A healthier pie begins with mindful choices for every component, from the crust to the filling. We'll explore simple swaps that maintain delicious flavor while boosting nutritional value. Get ready to enjoy a classic dessert with a wholesome twist. Making smart ingredient swaps is key to a healthier pie. Try replacing up to 1/2 of the granulated sugar with natural alternatives like maple syrup or honey. Unsweetened applesauce can add moisture and natural sweetness to your filling. For the crust, a 50-50 blend of whole wheat and all-purpose flour works wonderfully. A small amount of coconut oil or butter provides richness. For a healthier crust, roll it a bit thinner than usual to reduce overall calories. Enhance the filling's flavor with warm spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of cloves, which also offer health benefits. Select a mix of sweet and tart apples to achieve natural sweetness, minimizing the need for extra sugar. Be mindful of butter in the filling. A little goes a long way. Bake your pie at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling bubbles. When serving, opt for smaller portions to help manage your intake. Instead of high-calorie ice cream, pair your slice with a dollop of plain Greek yogurt for added protein and a creamy texture. Enjoy your delicious, healthier apple pie guilt-free.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.